Today we're making tiramisu cake!
Yay!
So we're gonna add whipping cream.
Oh guys, look, we got a new mixer.
So we're gonna start mixing.
Stop.
Okay, why?
I have to add sugar.
Okay, great idea.
Whee! That's a lot of sugar.
Yeah, I'm gonna start mixing again.
Yeah!
Now we add the mascarpone. It looks good.
Okay, we're done.
So we got a pan,
A bowl,
espresso.
biscotti.
Yes. So now what we're gonna do is pour the espresso into the bowl.
Looks weird. Cool.
Cool. And then we take a biscotti, yeah? We dip it in, then
Take it.
we take it out and put it here. And now we're gonna do it. Come on, help.
I wonder how this is gonna taste.
Amazing. Now we're done with one layer and now we're gonna put the cream on.
Yup.
Here. Put a little more cream.
Cream.
We're doing one more layer.
Yeah.
Are you gonna watch or help? And one more layer of cream. Last layer of biscotti. It's time for layer of cream and we're finished.
You'll teach me how to cook an egg later. So we're done. Now we're gonna put it in the fridge for a few hours. So see you later.
Alligator Jinx! It's here and it's beautiful.
Let's put some cacao. We need a lot of cacao.
I think that's enough.
Oh my arm.
So guys, let's try it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Wow, it's so yummy and light, right Adam?
Yeah.
You guys should try it. Like and subscribe. Check the full description down below. Bye!